Mindset to hit six figures this year. Welcome back, entrepreneurs. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the mindset required to hit six figures this year. I'm Murtuza and I specialize in helping coaches, consultants, service providers, and digital marketing agencies attract high-ticket clients using social media and YouTube paid advertising. So, let's get started. Setting ambitious goals. The first step towards achieving six figures is setting ambitious goals. It's essential to stretch beyond your comfort zone and aim high. Visualize your desired income, the lifestyle you want, and the impact you wish to make. Setting specific, measurable, and time-bound goals gives you clarity and a target to strive for. Adopting an abundance mindset. To hit six figures, it's crucial to adopt an abundance mindset. Believe that there are abundant opportunities and clients out there for you. Let go of limiting beliefs that hold you back, such as scarcity thinking or fear of competition. Embrace the idea that there's more than enough for everyone and focus on creating value for your target audience. Embracing continuous learning and growth. To achieve extraordinary results, you must commit to lifelong learning and personal growth. Invest in your knowledge and skills. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, marketing strategies, and sales techniques. Attend conferences, read books, and surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you. Cultivating a resilient mindset. Building a successful business requires resilience. Understand that challenges and setbacks are part of the journey. Embrace failures as valuable learning experiences and opportunities for growth. Develop the ability to bounce back quickly, adjust your strategies, and keep moving forward. Taking decisive action. Mindset alone is not enough, you must take decisive action. Break down your goals into actionable steps and create a plan. Take consistent, focused action towards your objectives. Don't let fear or analysis paralysis hold you back. Be willing to step outside your comfort zone and implement your strategies with confidence. Cultivating a success mindset. Practice visualization, affirmations, and gratitude exercises. Surround yourself with positive influences and mentors who inspire you. Remember, success is not an overnight achievement but a result of consistent mindset and effort. Congratulations! You now have the mindset blueprint to hit six figures this year. Remember, success starts from within. Set ambitious goals, adopt an abundance mindset. Embrace continuous learning, cultivate resilience, take decisive action, and cultivate a success mindset. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and keep pushing forward. I'm excited to see your journey unfold. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies on attracting high-ticket clients. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, reach out to me for personalized support. Together, let's make this year your best year yet. Until next time.
Discover a unique 5-step system named COM5 method that I am using to sell high-ticket coaching, training, and services using the power of artificial intelligence, one simple funnel, and social media paid ads. Go to my website com5method.com and sign up to watch your free video training. You will find the link to the website com5method.com somewhere on this video and the description section right below. If you have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Smash the like button right now before you go. While you are here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. If you do this, you will get notification when I release a new video on YouTube. On my YouTube channel, I am focusing in teaching you how to sell high-ticket, high-margin coaching, training, services, and luxury products. I will share with you my marketing tests that I am doing to attract paid and organic traffic and how I attract high-quality leads using YouTube and social media channels. Therefore, make sure to subscribe right now or you will miss all this valuable information and training. Comment and let me know one big idea that you have learned from this video. Also, let me know if you want me to create a video based on any questions you have relating to your business. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media and other channels. This motivates me to create new valuable content on regular basis. Thanks for watching this video and wish you all the very best and success. and see you in my next video.